welcome to another review at the review room. Today we are looking at Street Fighter Sonic Boom. That's right, it's Guile's version of the Street Fighter drink. Is his special move, the Sonic Boom. If you haven't watched my reviews, I did do a Ken one. I think that's called Dragon Punch. So really, these Street Fighter ones are some of the best looking ones I've seen, with best looking cans. The artwork is really good. It's full of colour. Some of them are quite plain, but really nice. This one is. This is done by the Boston American Corp, as they all are. Product not intended for children. 110 calories, I believe. That they're all 110 calories, I'm pretty sure. 107% of your sodium, of your daily sodium, 50% of your vitamin B6 and 50% of your vitamin B12. Not a significant source of calories from fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, and dietary vitamins A, C, calcium, and iron. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Got the Capcom logo. This product is manufactured and sold by the Boston American Corporation. No idea what flavour it is. They don't tell you. They don't. Praying God, it's not a Red Bull. I recently did a Resident Evil review, and that was the best one I've actually tasted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring a glass in, like so, voila, magic, and I'm gonna crack this open. Okay, it looks like it's just a plain colour. It could be actually yellow, I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to pull this out. And it is a limey greeny colour. Give it a smell. Okay. What is that smells like? It smells like a drink. It does smell like something I've had before. You know what? It smells like a Red Bull, I think, but with this colour in. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try the Street Fighter Sonic Boom. Let's give it a try. It's pretty much Red Bull. Pretty much. It tastes a little bit different, but this is slightly warm as I've left it out, and it's been quite a warm day today. But it does taste. There's almost something wants to tell me it's like a citrus in there, but I'm not 100% sure on that. It does taste like a Red Bull. Yeah. Pick this up from candyhero.com. I will put the link in the description down there for you if you want to look at these, or they've got tons of other cool stuff. So yeah, please check them out, and hope you enjoyed the review. Please comment, subscribe, like. Please check out my other videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Goodbye.